Hi guys, this is Berry. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring Moor Point. The Moor Point is the first place you reach after entering the forest area. To get to this Moor Point from Kodaikanal Lake, you need to travel along the Observatory Road and 10 miles round the road. And before reaching to the Moor Point, you can also visit the Upper Lake View and Rose Garden along the way. After enjoying that, you can continue a journey to the Moor Point. The place is named after Sir Thomas More, who started constructing the Goshen Road in 1929 CE. There is a monument which mentions this and stands on the road joining the Kodaikanal and Birijam Lake. Since this place offers amazing views of the valley, it remains one of the most crowded places in Kodaikanal. And the other activities which we can include in the More Point is one is trekking, photography, and nature walks. So all this can be done here. And the entry for this park timings are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the entry fees is 10 rupees for an adult or children. So I would say this is best place for the nature lovers who enjoy watching the beautiful views of the Western Ghats hills as well as a photography enthusiast. So apart from this, there are surrounding places as well near to this. The one is Pillar Rock, Pine Forest, and Guna Caves. Do visit them. Okay, I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.